BESTOK Eco-Lubed slow-speed reciprocating air compressors deliver high-output performance designed to lower your overall cost of air. Available in range capacities from 2 HP to 10 HP in both single-stage and two-stage configurations, these oil-lubricated machines are manufactured and tested in accordance with ISO standards to ensure maximum operational uptime. Eco-Lubed slow-speed tech runs at lower RPMs to deliver reduced heat generation, minimal vibration, and quieter operation. Versatile range. Single-stage models 8 kg per square and two-stage models 12 kg per centimeter square with tank capacities up to 425 liters. Complete air solutions pair with BESTOK BDP/T refrigerated air dryers 16 kg per centimeter square max pressure and precision line filters for moisture-free clean compressed air. Make in India quality, built with heavy-duty components and precision engineering for long-term industrial reliability.